Hey everybody, this is Brian with the Instructional Tech Coordinator team, and one of the things our team has noticed this week and some questions we have fielded is a question from Vanguard members as they've been uploading their movies from Photo Booth into Google Drive into the artifacts folder. And first of all, let me say the videos that are coming in are just great, really good things coming across. But some of you are running into a bit of an issue where your files aren't uploading correctly, and we're having the exact same issue on our side. And it's all dependent on the process in which you upload it, and we're not exactly sure why it's happening, but we want to give you an alternative that we see is working. So let me first show you an example of what the issue looks like. So these are some videos, there's Melina's. These are some videos that have uploaded properly, and you can see that we can play them here. So this is our indicator that they are working, that they preview well. Then once in a while we come across a video that looks like this, and when we see this sorry we can't display the video, or if your video is showing that, then you're experiencing the same issue that a few others are seeing, and this is going to be helpful for you. For others of you who have found a way for this to work, great, no need to re-upload your videos, but if you are having this particular issue, our tip here might help you out. So whenever you upload to Google Drive, typically, most people use the web browser version, clicking the upload and going in and uploading a file and going and searching for that. You'll notice here, though, that I am doing this from a web browser, and we find that that might be one of the key issues causing this, and it's just a glitchy piece with this kind of file, so don't make this a massive thing that every file you upload to Google Drive is having this issue. It just happens to be this kind of file with this kind of program. It's more of a video thing than anything. So Google does make a Drive app that can be installed right on your MacBook, so you don't have to upload things from your Google Chrome browser or any other browser. You can actually do it right from your Mac. I am going to show you. First of all, this is a short URL that'll get you to the page that I'm going to show you. This is case sensitive, so it is a capital X, and it is an uppercase Q, an uppercase M. You'll want to make sure you type that in properly. Leave that up there for one second. When you copy that and paste it, it will take you to this page. This is Google Drive for the Mac, and what it allows you to do is download an application that lives on your Mac and allows you to sync your files into Google Drive a little bit differently. Now again, the reason we're showing you how to do this is because we've seen that this actually works for the certain file types that we've been uploading. This is kind of the one foolproof way we've been able to get them work consistently. So you're going to go ahead and click Download Google Drive and agree to the terms and services. You can just write on your desktop for now. I need this once we've installed it. I'm in Chrome, but I can go get it somewhere else as well. I can go to my desktop and grab it. So it'll be called something like install Google Drive.dmg. We double click on that. It'll go through an installation process like this. Now I've already got it installed on mine, so we might see an error message in a moment that you won't see. But the last piece, and this is one of those cute things that Apple does that if you come from a PC, you've never had to do before. In this case, you have to drag the icon over from Google Drive into Applications to actually do the installation. Okay. Now you won't see this, and I'm going to stop mine. Yours will then just install for you. Once that's been installed, you can come on over to the Launch Pad. Remember, this is all of the applications on our Mac live. And right here, you'll see the Google Drive app. Double click on that to open it up. Take just a moment to do that. And up here in our menu bar, you will see the Google Drive icon. It's going to do some scanning here. When you click on that, for the first time, it'll ask you to sign in. And when you do sign in, you'll use your district email address and password. And this will connect your Google Drive app, which is now living on your Mac, with the web-based version of Google Drive, so it's all connected together. Just a moment. We can open the Google Drive folder up here by right-clicking on that. And there it is. Okay, so once we've got that piece in place, what we have found for uploading particularly these photobooth.mov files is, I'm going to open Photobooth up here. Now notice I'm still in Google Drive, and it would look almost the same. One nice feature of having the Google Drive app on your Mac is that you really get to see a lot more data about the files that are there, if that is at all of interest to you. All right, and I'm going to go to the folder where artifacts are being collected. I am going to go into, we'll drop this right in the high school. All right, so this is, I'm a faculty teacher at West, and I need to drop this in to that collection there. So right from Photo Booth, I can actually drag this file, which I was unsuccessful in uploading through the web browser. I can just grab it. There it is. Okay. Now all I need to do is drag it over to this location. And you'll want to pay attention to what folder you're dropping it into and what name it gets when it's there. So I've just dropped it there. And there's the one that I just uploaded. And I found that the key here is when I see, especially from the Google Drive app, when I see an image here, I know that that one is likely going to work, whereas some of the other ones who don't have that image there would just show the QuickTime folder or icon, that one doesn't play as well.